you have to write the question number and then write the answer for the indicated question in your question paper. So for part A, the marks will be awarded only for the correct answer. Hence, you can directly write the answer after evaluation. Find the triplicate ratio of 3:5. So triplicate is nothing but cube of the ratio. We know that tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In this session, we are going to discuss the model question paper of the academic year 2021-22 prescribed by the Pre-University Board, Karnataka. So this is the pattern of the question paper this academic year. That is, so you will be having 5 sections, that is part A, B, C, D, E. And what are the types of question you can expect is you have 1 mark question, 2 mark, 3 marks, 5 marks, 10 mark question in the form of 6 and 4 marks, that is 6 plus 4. So number of questions that they have set in this academic year is they have given 15 1 mark question where you have to attend only 10 questions. That is number of questions to be answered in part A is only 10, which contains 1 mark. So therefore it is 10 marks. Now in 2 mark question, number of questions that they have set in the paper is 18. So you have to attend only 10. Here also you have extra 8 questions to attend. So therefore out of 18 questions you have to attend only 10 questions. So 10 into 2 it is 20 marks. And from part C, number of questions they have set is 18. Out of 18, again here also you have to select any 10 questions and attend it. So you will get 30 marks. So in part D, that is containing 5 mark questions, you have 12 questions out of 6 you have to attend. That is exactly you have 50 chances in part D. So out of 12 questions you have to attend only 6 questions which contain 5 marks. So 6 5s are 30 marks you will get from part D. And in part E, you will be having 3 questions in the form of 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4. Out of 3 questions, you have to choose any 1 question and attend it, which carries 10 marks. So completely, your total marks that you have to answer is 100 marks. But the question paper which they have set, it is purely for 195 marks. Your question paper is set for maximum marks of 195, you have to write it for 100. So you have maximum number of choices this year. So study carefully whichever the content is more easy to you and you can select the questions, attend each and every section and gain more marks. Now let's see the model question paper which they have prescribed for this year. So this is your second PUC basic model paper. Here it is given in English version for the academic year 2021-22 and maximum marks you have to attend is for 100. But the question paper this year they have set it for 195 marks. Since you have more number of choices, almost you have 50% of the questions to gain 100 marks from this question paper pattern. So the question paper has 5 parts A, B, C, D, E. You have to answer all the parts. Part A carries 10 marks, Part B 20 marks, Part C 30 marks. That is, you have to attend 10, 10, 10 in from Part A, Part B, Part C. And Part D you have to attend 6 questions which carries 30 marks. Part E is 10 marks that you have to choose only 1 question out of 3 questions. And write the question number properly as indicated in the question paper. Most of the students will forget to write the question number. Just they'll write the main and directly they'll write the answer. So don't do that mistake while you're writing your examination. You have to write the question number and then write the answer for the indicated question in your question paper. So let's see the questions here. So part A, you have answer any 10 questions. So you will be having 15 questions. So you have to attend only 10 questions in part A. And this is part B section. Here also you have to answer any 10 questions. From question number 16 to question number 33, you will be having in total 18 questions. So you have to choose any 10 questions to answer. So next, part C. Part C also you have an options of choosing 10 questions out of 18 questions. That is question number 34 to question number 51. So next you have part D, questions that you have to attend any 6 questions out of 12 questions. So that is from question number 52 to 63. So you have 5 marks questions from matrices, binomial theorem, partial fractions. Next you have from probability. Next, 1 linear programming problem, 1 learning curve problem. Next you have 5 mark question from bill discounting, which they have included this year. 1 trigonometric, that is a problems on transformation formula. Next you have a problem from the second order derivative from the chapter limits and derivatives. Next you have 1 5 mark questions from the chapter application of definite integral. So these are the questions you may expect for 5 marks, and you can attend only 6 questions. Next, so part E, you have to choose only 1 question. So therefore here from 64 you have to choose both A and B, or from 65 you have to choose A and B. Do not choose 64A and 65B. You have to completely attend one particular question, either 64, 65 or the question number 66. The problems you may expect for 6 marks and 4 marks is, one is from the limit. So this is a compulsory question you can expect, and the expansion of a term with higher index using the binomial theorem. So this is for 64A. And for 65, you will be having 1 matrix method problem and 1 problem from heights and distances. That is question number 65. So you have to attend 6 plus 4 forms to get 10 marks. Next, from question number 66, you have a problem from circles. That is, usually they will give you concyclic problems for 6 marks, and 1 problem from LPP, that is to formulate linear programming problem, which carries 4 marks. So in total you will be having 10 marks. So this is the pattern of the question paper prescribed for this academic year only. So let's see now how to attend part A questions. Part A questions contains very simple mathematical problems from each chapter. So here the marks will be given for the correct answer. Hence, no steps are needed. You can just evaluate or find the answer. Just write the answer according to the question number. So here we have a question from the model paper. If A, matrix A is equal to 1 minus 2, 3, 4, find 3A. Just multiply 3 to the given matrix. So you will get the answer 3 minus 6, 9, 12. Next, find the value of 400, 404, 408, 412. Here you can use the column operation or row operation to find the value of the given determinant, or you can directly multiply and subtract with the term to find the determinant. So the answer you get is minus 32 for the particular question. If you write the answer minus 32, like for example question number 2, the answer is minus 32. You will get the marks. So for part A, the marks will be awarded only for the correct answer. Hence, you can directly write the answer after evaluation. Next problem we have, in how many ways can 10 people be seated around a table? Around a table means it's a circular permutation. We know for a circular permutation, the number of arrangement can be represented in the form of n minus 1 factorial. Hence, we have here 10 people. So the answer is 10 minus 1 factorial, that is equal to 9 factorial. So next we have, a bag contains 8 red, 4 green marbles. Find the probability that a marble is selected random is red. So we have 8 red and 4 green. In total we have 12 marbles, and we have to find the probability of finding red. So out of 12 marbles, 8 are red. Hence the probability can be written in the form of number of favorable cases divided by total number of outcomes. So that is 8 by 12. When you cancel, the value will be equal to 2 by 3. Hence 2 by 3 is the correct answer. Next, write mathematics is easy and today is a holiday in a symbolic form. We know that any mathematical statement can be represented in the symbolic form. So see the connections between the statements given here. You have 2 statements. One statement can be taken as P, another statement can be taken as Q. And here the connective is used is and. And is nothing but conjunction. So for conjunction, the symbol is used as this. So hence we can write the given statement in the symbolic form P conjunction Q, where P is mathematics is easy and Q is today is a holiday. Next we have find the triplicate ratio of 3:5. So triplicate is nothing but cube of the ratio. So 3 cube is nothing but 27, 5 cube is nothing but 125. Hence the answer is 27:125. Next we have how much stock can be bought for rupees 3,375 at rupees 75. So the amount of stock can be calculated as 3,375 divided by 75 multiplied with 100. So you can get the amount is 4,500 rupees. Next we have write the learning curve equation. So this is the formula for the learning curve equation, that is y is equal to a x to the power b, where b is the learning curve index. Next we have if tan a is equal to 1, find tan 2a. You should know the formula of tan 2a. We know that tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So they have given the value of tan a here. So if you substitute, it is 2 into 1, 2 and 1 plus 1, 2. So both get cancels and the value is equal to 1. Hence you can directly substitute the answer and find the value of tan 2a. Next we have if the length of latest rectum of a parabola is y square is equal to 8k, x is 4, find k. So we know that this is in the form of 4ax. Length of latest rectum is nothing but 4a. So here 4a is given as 8k. Hence we can take 4 is equal to 8k. So to find the value of k, divide. So you will get the answer as k is equal to 1/2. Next we have evaluate limit as x tends to 4 for the function 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. Substitute the value of x here as 4. Apply the limit and you will get the answer as 19/2. Next, find dy by dx if y is equal to x to the power e plus e power x. We know that the derivative of x power n is in the form of n into x to the power n minus 1. So if you have e is also a constant, then it should be in the form of e into x to the power e minus 1 plus e power x. So this is dy by dx or the derivative of the given function. Next we have find dy by dx if y is equal to cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. The given function is in the form of u by v. So here we have to use the quotient rule. After using the quotient rule and evaluating, we will get the derivative of the function as minus 1 divided by 1 plus sin x. So while applying the quotient rule, do not make mistake to get the answer because the marks is awarded only for the correct answer. Hence, the answer for this particular question is minus 1 divided by 1 plus sin x. So next we have a problem from an integration, that is integration of 7x square minus 4 secant square x dx. So we know that integration of x to the power n dx is nothing but x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So therefore here it is x square, hence it must be x cube divided by 3. As you have seen here, x to the power n can be written as x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And integration of secant square x is tan x. Since 4 is a constant, we have to keep the constant and integrate only the function. Integration of secant square is tan x plus integration constant. So this is the value of the integral. Next we have evaluate integration of 1 divided by 4x plus 3 dx. So we know one of the form of integration of 1 by ax plus b dx can be written in the form of log of ax plus b divided by a plus c. So here the value of a is 4, the value of b is 3. Hence, I can write this in the form of log of 4x plus 3. 1 by a can be written in the form of 1 by 4 plus integration constant. So this is how we can find the value of integrals. So here we have 15 questions where you can attend only 10 questions from the part A. We will discuss the next part in the next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.